Hello everyone! So today, I'll be explaining the refrigeration cycle. Pero bago yun, panoorin muna natin yung video ko kung paano ko ginawa yung diagram. Proceed sa discussion.
Compressor. So, yung trabaho ng compressor is to suck in the low-pressure refrigerant vapor from evaporator. Tapos, i-compress ng compressor yon para maging high pressure and high temperature gas siya. Yung compressor is heart siya ng system na taga-pump ng refrigerant around the cycle. Oil separator. After ng compressor, the refrigerant passes through the oil separator. And then, isi-separate niya yung lubricating oil from refrigerant. So, the oil goes back to the compressor and yung refrigerant, tuloy-tuloy lang yung pag-flow. Next naman, yung refrigerant is dadaan sa condenser coils. Dito, i-release niya yung heat to surrounding air. As it cools down, mag-iiba na from hot gas into high-pressure liquid. Kaya yung sa likod ng ref or likod ng aircon mainit is because nagre-release siya ng heat. After sa condenser, yung refrigerant is pupunta naman sa receiver tank. Dito, na-i-store yung liquid refrigerant to ensure na may enough na supply para ma-distribute sa system. Filter dryer. Dito naman, when the liquid refrigerant passes through here, yung trabaho niya is tanggalin yung dumi or moisture para hindi masira yung system. Liquid line solenoid valve. Ito yung parang automatic switch na nagkocontrol if tuloy-tuloy yung pagdaloy ng refrigerant papunta sa expansion valve at evaporator. Sa sight glass, dito naman check ng mga technician if yung refrigerant is na-flow ba ng maayos. Here, the high-pressure liquid refrigerant enters the expansion valve and then pressure suddenly drops. That's why the refrigerant is much colder na and it turned into low-pressure liquid vapor mix. Filler valve. Ito yung maliit na sensor na naka-attach sa suction line and yung purpose nito is i-measure yung temperature ng refrigerant coming out of the evaporator. And when the refrigerant enters the evaporator, dito na nangyayari yung cooling effect. Nag-a-absorb na ng heat from inside air or refrigerated space and pagka-absorb ng heat, nag-evaporate into low-pressure vapor. EPR or Evaporator Pressure Regulator. Ito naman yung valve na nagkocontrol ng pressure inside the evaporator. And yung main job niya is to keep the evaporator pressure from dropping too low. Dito naman sa part na to, yung refrigerant vapor is nag-flow na pabalik sa suction line. Tapos, dadaan sa accumulator at suction filter para di masira yung compressor. Tapos, babalik na ulit ng compressor and uulit na yung cycle. Kung mapapansin nyo yung katabi ng compressor, which is the shut-off valve, ito yung parang on and off para sa pagdaloy ng refrigerant kapag kailangan na.